Okay, guys. Good morning. Back to Cebu. What I'd like to do first thing is that I received the plates for my new bike, so I'm gonna go and pick them up and have a nice lunch, and then we can talk about the last trip at Dipolog. Come and follow us. Okay, let's go and pick up the plates. Yeah, I miss my little one here. She's looking good. With the crush bar, the box, and I bought a few more accessories I will install later on. Okay, we arrived. Hello. I believe the plates arrived.
The registration.
The plates.
And the plate number.
Oh, yeah, here.
Just have a seat.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's wait for the plates. Got the registration paper, that's all. No plates yet, they're gonna call me when it's ready. Okay, first time I park here on the Ayala. That bike's looking good. Alright, I need to get a temporary plate made. I have to go to Imol. But first of all, I want to come here and have a steak. I didn't eat well in Dipolog for a reason. Always on the run and... Okay. Okay, no plates as yet. But now I can have a temporary plate and use the motorbike. So I've been told. So yeah. So I'm gonna go to a place to make a temporary plate. Yeah, I couldn't wait to get a steak here when I went back to Cebu. Okay, let's go to SM now and get this plate done, hopefully. And yes, I'm at Ayala Mall. They finished this area, I don't know if you remember, that was on the construction before. It's a kids playground. I think it's a good idea. The adults can go top floor. SM City. Anyway, that's the one. Second floor. Stick on me. You can have a temporary plates down. Or you can buy stickers and hearts and what have you. They can print the mug. So I'm gonna come here because I need to do something for Thomas, which I haven't had a chance yet. I got the shirts, but I didn't have a chance to print. So Thomas, just bear with me, mate. I'm getting it done. Got so many things going on, but we'll get done. Okay, I have to wait 1 hour. That's 400 pesos for that temporary number plate. Okay, I just came back to pick up the plate. It's done. I have to install. Bye bye.
Yeah, I didn't want to.
They got a lot of stickers and stuff here. It's good. So, well, no. Wanted to put some sticker on my motorbike. guys, is 31 degrees. You can see on the top right corner. Wow, it's very hot. It's still very busy here. Just the avocado. We know it's not the season yet, but this avocado, just that one is 155 pesos. Yeah, but I love avocado. Yeah, it's good for you. Hello guys, another day. I want to talk a little bit about parenting, visitation. I think one of the things that some parents forget is that it's all about the child, not about the mother, not about the father. It's to make the child happy. That's what it's all about. No ego, no selfishness, no fight, battles, backstabbing. Why? My first divorce was very friendly. I mean, normal. There's no big fight. We just have a couple arguments at one stage, and that's it. And that's it. Sometimes she talk to me and ask me how I am, and I do the same, and that's it. There's no need to be upset and why somebody would be nasty, hide something, to validate something. Must be. We should be just, every parent should be good friends and do everything possible for the child. That's the way it should be. Anyway, start raining a little bit. I'm going to Cologne. But anyway, the main thing is that I saw Bella. See, Bella saw me. She was very happy. She wasn't happy to see me leaving. And that's how it should be. I mean, they should love their parents, both of them, not just one. I'm still looking for avocado. Maybe Cologne will have avocado. Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe not. Anyway, I was very happy to see her. She's such a beautiful girl. Smart, funny. She got everything. She should go to the best school. In the mountain. So this guy's selling, I don't know what. So noisy. So if she really care about Bella, maybe she should give it to me, and I can go to best school here in Cebu. You know, if you're not selfish, you would do things like that. Oh, it's so cute. Anyway, I'm going to stop at Cybergate, have something to eat before heading to Cologne. Cologne, I want to have a look at a couple of things for the motorbike. It's the back entrance of Cybergate. I don't know if anybody carry mangoes. It's not the time for mangoes, it's so expensive. I don't think it has any. Others, mothers have tendency to find very hard to sacrifice for the kids, for the good of the kids, because this attachment. At the end of the day, there's no need to dwell on Bella's visitation. I saw her, she was happy, I was very happy, that's all it matters. Let's move on to the next visit. Okay, finish here, now we're going to Cologne. Let's have a look at motorcycle accessories. Let's go. I'm looking for a new belt bag because the one across the shoulder, it pulls my spine down and then I end up sore after a while. This one, the weight will be on the waist only, which is good. It won't put any stress on the spine. So I'm looking for something like this, and the camera fit here, it's good. Yeah, that's what I usually wear, and it's pulling here and on my spine. So I think I'm doing the right thing. Yeah. I bought a really nice cargo net, which I ordered through Lazada. I still haven't received it, and it's light, so I need something temporary if I travel now. So I hope that will do. We'll see. I have to get in some croissant. As usual, I forgot to film, but then I go Not Starbucks. Too expensive. I got Dunkin'. I'm trying to quit the coffee. I'm gonna get a hot chocolate or iced chocolate. Besides, you can never sit here. Oh, something there. Raining. Okay, hopefully the shots for Thomas are ready. So that's what I got it done in Imo. Let's go and check. Getting there. Come back. Okay, it wasn't quite ready, but they're trying to finish it off now. But cutting off of the stencil. Yep. Very good. Good man. Okay, done. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.